Today is Friday, February 4, 2022. Welcome to your daily weather for Omaha. Dress for cold. The temperature today should reach up to 26 degrees Fahrenheit and down to 6 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity is at 35%. You can expect no rain and no snow today. Some clouds. We've got strong wind at about 18 miles per hour. No weather alerts at the moment. And now for the news. Warning: some news stories can be disturbing or offensive. Stories are provided by various sources. In our next story, Senate right to repair bill could preserve your right to fix your own car. There is renewed hope for people who want a right to repair their equipment with a new bill that has been introduced in the U.S. Senate. For our next story, BAT auction, 1958 Ford F-100 custom cab. This 1958 Ford F-100 custom cab is a shortbed pickup that is finished in twotone red and white over black cloth upholster. Next up, U.S. Civil War maps. Explore about the Civil War map. The Map Archive. Montana, Minnesota, Michigan. Wow, I have no opinion at all, but it's ready to explode. Lincoln Riley's move to USC already making waves in Los Angeles. CalBearsMaven. Los Angeles. For everyone fussing about cultural fit, Lincoln Riley left evidence right out in the open months ago that it was going to work out just fine. In our next story, Michigan vs. Nebraska odds, line, 2022 college basketball picks, February 1 prediction from proven computer model. The Michigan Wolverines and the Nebraska Cornhuskers are set to square off in a Big Ten matchup at 9 p.m. Eastern Time Tuesday at Chrysler Center. That's it, Nebraska. Have a good one. To help support improvement of our show, please click subscribe. See description for sources. This content contains information from OpenWeather (TM) API, which is made available here under the Open Database License (ODBL).